This is the story of two talented youngsters of India, and I've been looking at their growth path, and I find one of them utilized his life optimally, one of them underutilized his own life and sadly had to prematurely retire. I'm talking about my dear friends Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. If you look at both their life, both created a world record in their school cricket, and Vinod Kambli actually scored a double century before Sachin Tendulkar scored double century in Test cricket for India. And when they ended their career, Sachin Tendulkar ended with a Bharat Ratna. Vinod Kambli actually retired prematurely. I was just thinking as a trainer, what could be the reason for the premature retirement of Vinod Kambli and the wonderful achievement of Sachin Tendulkar. Hi, I'm Naveen N. I'm a qualified chartered accountant. I'm an international trainer, success coach. We do a lot of training workshops. In these training workshops, we dwell on all these aspects in more detail and in-depth analysis. But our 3 and Thrive channel will give you some ideas how you can also prosper in your life. Today we are talking about those two youngsters who were talented. What is the reason behind Sachin being so successful, Vinod Kambli not being so successful? And my analysis, I got this particular insight. I would like to share with you that particular insight. So remember, in life you will find ability without stability will lead to inability. Vinod Kambli is a prime example of that. Lot of ability but no proper stability. Don't do practice, don't do the right things at the right time, and thereby there will be a downward spiral. Look at Sachin Tendulkar. Ability with stability will lead to sustainability. This is a quotation I created. I will repeat the quotation for you. Ability without stability will lead to inability, but ability with stability will lead to sustainability. And when you have ability, when you have stability, to that you add agility, means doing the right things at the right speed at the right time. So when you have ability plus stability plus agility is going to give you what is the thing I call is credibility. And once you have a lot of credibility, people rely on you. So you develop reliability. And once you develop reliability, you get a lot of opportunity. And once you get a lot of opportunity, you will have a lot of prosperity. So it all starts with ability plus stability plus agility. Unfortunately, today's generation, you will find a lot of people have ability. Problem is they have less stability. So I tell people, I tell youngsters, I tell everybody, you add stability to your life and see the magic of your growth. People will give you more and more opportunities. You will be an in-demand employee or an in-demand businessman because you are stable. That is the reason why I'll repeat the formula which we created. Ability plus stability with agility gives you credibility. And once you have credibility, you get reliability. And once you have reliability, you get opportunity. And more opportunity gives you more prosperity. Focus on your ability, focus on your stability, focus on doing things quickly enough for people to give you more opportunities. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, to like, to subscribe, to share, and to comment your wonderful ideas with us. Because whenever you visit our channel, you take the next forward step in your life. And every step is a stepping stone for your great future. So we believe you deserve to thrive and you will thrive. All the very best. All great performers, have you noticed, don't wait for the ideal conditions to start. Don't wait for all the resources to be available to start. Don't wait for their mood to be right. You know what they do? They apply these 3 principles. Number 1 principle, start where you are. Number 2 principle, use what you have. Number 3 principle, do what you can.